Is there an old debt creeping up through an estate? You're not sure what to do? Let's talk about it and kind of talk about gifts and debt and claims and how all that stuff shakes together. Okay, here's a hypothetical. Grandpa dies and your dad is also predeceased you, so you get to inherit your dad's portion of your grandpa's estate. That's fine, it's not a whole lot. You're trucking along. Then grandma dies and grandma's daughters, your aunts, now decide that they want to come after you for money. And you're like, what is going on? I don't understand. So here's what happened. Grandpa made a loan, we'll call it loan because we don't really know what it was. Grandpa bought somebody a car. Grandpa never asked for the money to be paid back. Grandpa never did anything. So in everybody's eyes, it was a gift. Aunts say, no, it was a loan and you owe the money to the estate. So how does all this shake out? Well, loans, if you are the person making the loan and it's a loan, you need good paperwork because you got to prove that it's a loan and they have to be able to enforce the contract at the end. Because really what it is a contract and we have to be able to enforce the contract. If you're the person getting the money and you don't want it to be a loan, you don't want any paperwork because then it's a gift and they gave it to you, you accepted it, it's a completed gift. There's nothing anybody can do about it unless they prove they didn't have capacity and you took advantage of them, of course. But other than that, you are good to go. So that's kind of the two sides of the coin, depending on the situation you're in, exactly what you want to do. If a lot of times too, when somebody passes away, a bunch of family tension that was under the surface comes boiling up. So that does happen. If you need some help, feel free to call us. We offer free consultations and we'll talk you through whatever you need.